It's just a small crossing today from Waine to Taha, where we will have a 3-day event with the Gliwo group.
Cold bones, yeah, that's my love. She hides away like a ghost.
Several boats already left for Bora Bora, but because Mark and I were a little bit ill, we stayed a little bit longer on Taha.
Well, we did start this morning, but immediately the wind went up to 30 knots. It's come down a little bit now. Watch out for that ship.
Cold sheets, always my love.
We decided to stay an extra day on Taha, just to gain some more strength. And we saw 2 lagoons going out of the pass, and it was spectacular. The waves were very high. In the South Pacific Ocean there were very deep depressions, and the waves are traveling a long way completely north to the area where we were sailing.
Did she run away? Did she run away? I don't know.
Actually, in our honeymoon we were in a resort like this, but then on Bora Bora.
Just come home. I got a fear holding my blood.
So the next day we both felt a lot better, so we sailed to Bora Bora. The wind died down and also the waves were a lot lower. Going through the pass was very, very easy.
You have to go south first to get to the pass, the Pai Pai Pass. And on the west side of Bora is the only pass of the island, so it's about 30 miles.
Did you run away? Did you run away? I don't need to know. If you ran away, come back home. Just come home.
It's a pity. I would love to have sailed a bit today.
Mark was a little bit disappointed about the lack of wind, but actually we could sail to Bora Bora. It was not fast, but we didn't need the engines. There were other boats going on the engine the whole way. I was extremely excited to go back to Bora Bora, this time on our own keel. Yeah, this is very special, a very special moment.
So today we're going to climb that mountain from the village of Waitape over there. It's only 5 kilometers, but they still say you need 3 to 4 hours back and forth.
Finally, we didn't go up completely. We have to be honest about that. It was very steep. It had rained a lot the last couple of days. It was also very slippery, but it was a good exercise and it was a very nice walk.
On our way to the Bora Bora Yacht Club. A couple of boys available there, as we saw just a couple of minutes ago. But
and then we do a short dinghy ride to the other side of the main island. And there's a beautiful patch of corals, even though the colors are a little bit gone. We saw actually a couple of manta rays. Even though Bora Bora is a little bit more crowded than other areas and also a little bit more touristic, I think its beauty is still preserved.
we're preparing the food again for crossing. Crossing to Fiji, where we're not entirely sure where we can stop in the meantime. To Fiji directly from Bora Bora would be about 1,700 miles. And we're still trying to stop in between in Samoa or American Samoa.
In the next episode we are going to Maupiti. It's a beautiful place, it's not very touristic.